Welcome to my channel. Today's class is about the issue of debentures at discount. When a debenture is issued at a price below its nominal value, it is said to be issued at a discount. For example, the issue of 100 debentures at rupees 95. So here 5 will be the discount. Discount on issue of debentures is a capital loss for the company and over a period of 3 to 5 years and it's charged to securities premium account as per the guidelines issued by ICAI. ICAI is the Indian Institute of Chartered Accountants. The discount on issue of debentures can be written off either by debiting it to the profit or loss account or to the securities premium account. The Companies Act 1956 does not impose any restrictions upon the issue of debentures at discount. A problem? Here, TV Components Limited issued 10,000 12% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 5% payable as follows. So on application 40 and on allotment it is 55. So the company has collected rupees 95 on debentures, 5% is on the discount amount related to the discount amount. Show the journal entries including those for cash assuming that all the installments were duly collected. Also show the relevant portion of the balance sheet. So we have to first give the heading as Books of TV Components Limited. Then we have drawn the format of journal, date, particulars, ledger folio, debit and credit amount. First will be relating to the application amount, collecting of application amount. The entry will be bank account debited to 12% debenture application account. The amount will be on application per debenture right is 40. So 40 into 10,000. Here it is written as 30. That is not correct. It is 40. 40 into 10,000 gives the amount 4 lakhs. Then for transferring application money to debenture account, the entry is 12% debenture application account debited to 12% debenture account. The amount will be the same. Then relating to allotment, here there is an discount amount. It is discount amount should be shown on allotment of debentures. So the entry will be 12% debenture allotment account debited, discount on issue of debentures account. It is debited as it is an expense to 12% debentures account. Then allotment money, it is the question is given as the allotment money per debenture is 55. So 55 into 10,000. Discount amount will be 10% of the whole amount of debentures. The whole amount of debentures will be calculated as 10,000 into 100. So the resulting the amount into 5%, that will be 50,000. 50,000 will be the discount on issue of debentures. And here it's written as the total amount 6 lakhs. By totaling the 5,50,000 and 50,000. Then the receipt of money on allotment of debentures. Bank account debited to 12% debenture allotment account entry. Here we are getting only the amount after discounting. So it will be 5,50,000. Then we have written the narration receipt of allotment money on debentures. Then we have to make a rough note before computing the balance sheet, before making entries in the balance sheet. Here this regarded as notes to accounts heading is given. Then since in the form of statement, So particulars in amount column. Then first item will be relating to long term borrowings. The full amount of debentures 10,000, 12% secure debentures of 100 each, that is 10 lakh. Then other current assets, the discount on issue of debentures will come under the other non-current assets. Here the amount is written as 45,000, but our full amount is 50,000. This 50,000 here, the 5,000 amount should be shown on the other current assets as discount on issue of debentures. The value is calculated as the whole amount of discount on issue of debentures is 50,000 divided by, is presumed that here it is written as, it's presumed that the debentures are redeemable after 10 years. So divided by 10 will give the amount 5,000. This amount will be passed on to the other current assets. The reason for this one is other current assets, it is regarded as a fictitious assets, discount on issue of debentures on other current assets, because a discount on issue of debentures is transferred to other current assets because it is considered as a fictitious assets. That is a loss incurred by the company when issuing debentures at a price lower than the face value, which needs to be gradually written off against the profits over the life of the debentures. Then this transferring the a certain amount of discount on issue of debentures to other current assets reflects the company's commitment to recover the discount over time through future earnings. A fictitious asset is an asset which has no physical value. A discount amount has no physical value. Then the next thing, that is second portion. Second portion we have already discussed, that is the regarding the 45,000 now amount. Then the third item is cash and cash equivalents. That will be cash at the bank. That is the amount will be 9,50,000 by reducing the discount amount or by adding the application whole amount and allotment whole amount, received amount. That is, here application money is received is 4 lakh plus allotment money received is 9,50,000. So allotment money is received is 5,50,000. Total will be 9,50,000. So that whole amount will be the cash at the bank, cash collected by the company in bank. Then the other current assets that we have already discussed, that is discount on issue of debentures 5,000. Then we have to draw the balance sheet. We have written the heading of the company name, the TV Components Limited, balance sheet asset. The date is not given. Then we have made the format, particulars, note number, amount. Then first item is equity and liabilities. Equity relating to shares and liabilities. Non-current liabilities under the heading long-term borrowings come under the heading non-current liabilities. That will be 10 lakh. Then moving on to the assets. That is note number 1 will be the equity and liabilities note. Then second item, assets, non-current assets, other current assets. There is note number 2, 45,000. Then the second one under assets, current assets, cash and cash equivalents. Third note, that is 9,50,000. Other current assets, fourth note, 5,000. These things we have already discussed. Total amount will be shown on the assets, that is 10 lakh. Here also we are totaling just by underlying the 10 lakh. That's all for today. Thank you.